Hi guys, so that you install the theme, please make sure that there's a button at the very bottom. So when you have the installing theme from uploaded file, whatever, go down and there would be a button. Please push the button, click the button. It's about replacing replacing it with the current theme, and then do not forget to activate it. So there is a button and then there is a link to activate it. So these are very crucial steps you would need to do in order to get your theme up and running. So this is the storefront theme. This is the storefront theme. You want to take a look at the theme details. This is the storefront theme. These are the they show you the widgets. Get yourself familiarized with a little bit of the theme. Don't touch anything. So this is the theme right now. Let's make sure that our site is actually showing the theme. This is the old theme and this is the new theme. Golden Lotus Jewelry, simply elegant. This is something I just put there as my motto. And here is the site. As you can see, the site doesn't look anything similar to how we viewed it on the template site. And this is why it took me a while to explain to you. I explained for a reason. I don't want you to get all surprised. Why is this theme looks like that? This theme will look like that because it doesn't come with any of the pictures and placeholders and all that. And you need to work on customizing it. So another theme, this is why I was telling you last year we worked with this theme. On the contrary, if you install this theme, for example, let me show you again how to install a theme. So you go to Appearance, Themes, yeah? Let me show you again, Upload, and let's use the other theme, the DaVinci theme, for example. Okay? Upload a theme here and install. Wait for it a little bit until it refreshes the page, as you can see, and then over here, activated. Okay, activate. So now this is the DaVinci theme, and you can customize it as you wish. And here's the storefront theme. I already have it, so it's already installed. I can choose either one of them later. Let's check how the site looks like, but we need to launch the site, I believe. So let's take a look. So almost looking the same, mostly. But I think there's something I needed to just make sure I'm not so next time I will show you how to customize the theme, and I'll just double check all the steps that we've done. So it's launching your site. Oh, forget about that. Yeah, forget about that. So just launch your site. Okay, so now your site is live. Let's view the site. And here it is. It's all the same. It should look a little bit better than this, but I will show you next time how to start working with the themes, and we start building the interface of our site accordingly. For today, I think I had enough videos for now, more than enough in fact, and I will give you some time also to discuss with your team members and finalize things. All right, guys, thank you so much for today. I'll see you on Tuesday. Have a good day.